Welcome to our journey of unlocking success, thriving with a modest income as a yoga teacher or meditation practitioner. Are you ready to discover the keys to financial stability in the world of mindfulness? Let's dive right in. Are you passionate about yoga or meditation and dream of making a living from it? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore how you can unlock success and thrive with a modest income in these rewarding fields. Becoming a successful yoga teacher or meditation practitioner requires dedication to your practice and an understanding of how to turn your passion into a sustainable career. Passion is the fuel that will keep you going on your path to success. As a yoga teacher or meditation practitioner, you're sharing something deeply personal with your students. Your passion will inspire and motivate them. To unlock success, remember to infuse your practice with love and commitment. Your enthusiasm will resonate with your students, creating a positive and supportive atmosphere. Unlocking success means reaching out to potential clients effectively. In the digital age, it's crucial to establish an online presence. Create a professional website, share your experiences, and engage with your audience through social media. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to enhance your online visibility, ensuring that people seeking mindfulness and wellness services can find you easily. One of the keys to thriving in these fields is building a loyal client base. Offer introductory classes, workshops, or online sessions to attract new students. Provide a warm and welcoming environment, and always be attentive to your clients' needs. Creating a strong bond with your students will not only help you retain them, but also lead to word of mouth referrals. Personal connections are invaluable in this industry. Thriving with a modest income involves smart financial planning. Keep a close eye on your expenses and set a budget that allows you to live comfortably while investing in your business. Consider multiple income streams such as private sessions, workshops, or merchandise sales. Networking is an essential aspect of success. Join yoga or meditation communities, attend conferences, and collaborate with other practitioners. Sharing knowledge and experiences will enrich your journey and open up new opportunities. Unlocking success doesn't mean sacrificing your well being. Remember the core principles of mindfulness, balance, self care, and self compassion. Maintain a healthy work life balance to prevent burnout and maintain the quality of your services. This section will delve into the heart of the matter, providing you with insights on how to turn your passion into a thriving career. Unlocking success as a yoga teacher or meditation practitioner is not just a dream, it's an achievable reality. Nurturing your passion, effective self marketing, building a loyal client base, financial planning, networking, and maintaining a work life balance are all essential components of your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock your success today and embark on a fulfilling and prosperous career in the world of mindfulness. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Unlock your success and thrive as a yoga teacher or meditation practitioner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the path to success. Namaste.